How can a video business solve their traffic and lead generation issues?
By talking about their business, for me, the first step, if you're not getting leads through any kind of service, whether it's SEO or ads or whatever, is are you actually doing it? And I mean doing it properly. Like boosting a post on Facebook is not Facebook advertising. Like, are you actually running ads? Or even if you're not at the space where you don't want to be investing in ads, are you actively talking to people about your business?